guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you Devocion. This style by Belle Tress is a short, mid-length, bouncy bob that has the classic curl throughout. Now this style features a temple-to-temple sheer lace front. It also has a 100% hand-tied left-hand side monofilament part. Now looking at Devocion, it may bring to mind Raquel Welch's Editor's Pick. The difference is Editor's Pick has a full monofilament top, layering, and a more deconstructed curl pattern. It also costs significantly more. During this filming, Editor's Pick retails for $381.65, whereas Devocion retails for $302.05. So if you're looking for a slightly more affordable style, you might want to look at Devocion. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous mid-length style. Devocion's wig cap features a 100% hand-tied temple-to-temple sheer lace front. It also has a 100% hand-tied monofilament part. There is a small amount of permatease lining the part. On either side of the cap are adjustable velour ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. In the back is a extended velour nape with bra-like adjusters that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Here is Devocion. This is a gorgeous, full volume, I mean curls galore style. If you like big volume, lots of density, beautiful curls, you will fall in love with this style easily. Now the cap size on Devocion is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now this style fits me a little snug right out of the box with the adjustable straps on the loosest setting. So I don't think this style would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference head size. However, if you're a petite average or average, you should be able to wear this style without a problem. The fiber is a beautiful, silky, heat-friendly synthetic fiber. It's heat-friendly up to 350 degrees. I love the Belle Tress heat-friendly fiber because it doesn't feel coarse. It's very silky. It mimics European human hair. The cap construction has a built-in contour at the front so that it keeps the side sweeping bang out of your face. And this style is just full volume with a ton of density. Now it does have a little bit of permatease around the back, at the nape, and along the monofilament part. The lace front is meticulous, hand-tied, sheer. It's perfect for all skin tones. Beautifully done. The left-hand side monofilament part is also hand-tied, and as you can see, the parting space is very dense with fiber. So if you wanted to create a more noticeable part, you could take tweezers and pluck some of the fiber from the parting space, but be very careful not to pluck too much or to rip the delicate monofilament. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I really like the natural movement of Devocion. Right side. Devocion's bang measures 4½ inches long. The back and the sides are 10½ inches in length. The nape is 3.75 inches long. So you have an overall length of 10½ inches. Now the weight is 4.5 ounces, which just tells you all of the incredible density that you get with this style. Let's talk about this beautiful color, Nutella Buttercream. This is a light brown and light auburn blend with copper blonde highlights. You can see them here, and they are throughout the style. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. Devocion just looks perfect right out of the box. The style looks very cute, tucked behind the ear. Now, since this is a mid-length style, there's not a lot to work with as far as length for an updo, but you certainly could pin it up or use a claw clip to make it into a shorter style. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Devocion, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. They carry this wig in all of the beautiful Belle Tress salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now, when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Devocion, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive alerts every time I upload a wig review, color spotlight, how-to video, wig giveaway, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.